Yesterday we talked about probate and how that may look with and without a will. Now we'll discuss trusts and where they may be considered. First, I want to mention some items or assets that are not subject to probate. These include items or accounts with named beneficiaries. You can often assign beneficiaries on banking, investment, and retirement accounts. Items placed in a living trust. This can include real estate. Accounts or items with payable on death, POD, or transfer on death, TOD assignment. Jointly titled property with survivor's rights. For the aforementioned scenarios, the assets pass directly to the named beneficiaries without having to go through the probate process. Assets that may pass through probate include vehicles, land, houses, banking and investment accounts, stocks, bonds, and business interests if these do not have assigned beneficiaries or they were not placed in a trust. Probate may take 6 months or more, depending on whether there was a will, challenges to a will, and complexity of the estate. There are two types of trusts, irrevocable and revocable. I will also discuss considerations involving special needs trusts in another video. Irrevocable trusts cannot be changed nor ended once they are created. The grantor gives up control of assets placed into the trust. Irrevocable trusts are difficult to change or dissolve and can only be modified with permission of named beneficiaries or court order. You may be wondering what the best use of an irrevocable trust is. These can reduce estate taxes. Estate taxes are usually a concern when estates exceed a threshold that is adjusted annually for inflation. This increased to $13.99 million in 2025. Federal estate taxes are applied to the portion of the estate that exceeds the exemption amount of $13.99 million. Other types of irrevocable trusts are Medicaid Asset Protection Trusts, Irrevocable Life Insurance Trusts or ILITs, Grantor Retained Annuity Trusts or GRATs, and Spousal Lifetime Access Trusts or SLATs, as well as various charitable trusts for supporting charitable causes. If you're interested in forming a trust, we can connect you with an attorney practice that specializes in establishing trusts for clients. Call or text us at 205-725-0250.